Hi there, this is Fixedit. If you want to do a screen capture on a Mac, then Command-Shift-3 will capture the windows that are open, and you may hear a shutter sound as the picture is taken. If you have a single Mac screen on the desktop, you will find just a single file, and if you open that, you'll find that that's the picture of your desktop. If you have two or more screens on the desktop, you will find 2 or 3 files showing each of the desktops on each of the screens. So a Command-Shift-3 takes a picture of the screens that are currently open. If you want to capture just a section of the screen, you hit Command-Shift-4 and the cursor will change from an arrow into a sniper type crosshatch. Now move to the section of the screen that you want to capture and click on the screen in the top left hand point of where you want to capture, and then you want to drag while holding the mouse button down to the bottom right to select the area that you want to capture, and when you release it, the digital screen capture photograph will be taken. This will create a new screenshot on your desktop, which is that selected area. If you want to capture a particular window, hold down Command-Shift-4 and spacebar, and the cursor on the screen will turn into a little camera. Then take all your hands off the keyboard and press the mouse button, and it will capture that entire window. If you look on the desktop, you will find the capture file for that particular window. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.